Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. Today, we have an exciting topic to discuss: how to keep your car clean and organized. Whether you're a busy commuter, a parent shuttling kids around, or someone who simply loves a clean and tidy car, these tips will help you maintain a neat and organized vehicle. So, let's get started. Decluttering and removing trash. The first step to a clean and organized car is getting rid of clutter and trash. Take a garbage bag and start removing any trash, like empty water bottles, food wrappers, and receipts. Pay special attention to the cup holders, door pockets, and the glove compartment. Once you've removed all the trash, you'll instantly notice a difference. Sorting and organizing essentials. Now that we've cleared out the trash, let's move on to sorting and organizing the essentials. Start by gathering items that you use regularly in your car, such as sunglasses, phone chargers, and car documents. Use small storage containers, organizers, or pouches to keep these items in one place. You can place them in the center console or glove compartment for easy access. Maximizing storage space. To make the most of your car's storage space, consider using organizers or storage solutions specifically designed for cars. These can include trunk organizers, seat back organizers, and even overhead storage compartments. They allow you to keep items like groceries, sports equipment, and emergency supplies neatly arranged and prevent them from rolling around while driving. Vacuuming and cleaning the interior. Now, let's move on to cleaning the interior of your car. Start by vacuuming the seats, floor mats, and carpets to remove dust, dirt, and debris. Don't forget to vacuum the cracks and crevices where crumbs tend to accumulate. Use a soft brush attachment to clean the dashboard, vents, and other hard-to-reach areas. Finally, wipe down the surfaces with a microfiber cloth and an appropriate interior cleaner. Preventing messes. Preventing messes is just as important as cleaning them up. Consider using seat covers and floor mats to protect your car's upholstery. Keep a small trash bag or container in the car to collect any future trash. Encourage passengers, especially children, to be mindful of keeping the car clean. By taking these preventive measures, you'll save time and effort in the long run. Regular maintenance. Lastly, regular maintenance is key to keeping your car clean and organized. Schedule regular car washes to keep the exterior looking fresh and shiny. Take a few minutes every week to declutter and wipe down surfaces. Also, don't forget to clean out and organize your car whenever you return from a trip. A little effort on a regular basis will go a long way in maintaining a clean and organized car. To maintain a consistently clean and organized car, it's helpful to establish a routine. Set aside a specific day or time each week for car maintenance. This could include tidying up, vacuuming, and wiping down surfaces. By making it a regular habit, you'll find it easier to keep your car in top shape. Utilize storage solutions. When organizing your car, think about utilizing storage solutions that optimize space. Consider using stackable bins or collapsible crates in the trunk to keep items neatly arranged. You can also use hanging organizers behind the seats to store books, toys, or other small items. These solutions help prevent items from shifting and create a more organized environment. Invest in car trash solutions. One common challenge in maintaining a clean car is dealing with trash. Consider investing in a car trash can or bag that secures to the back of a seat or fits in the cup holder. Having a designated place for trash encourages everyone in the car to dispose of it properly, minimizing clutter and keeping your car cleaner. Use seat back protectors. If you have passengers in the back seat, especially children, seat back protectors can be a game changer. These covers attach to the back of the front seats and provide storage pockets for toys, snacks, and other essentials. Seat back protectors not only help keep the car tidy but also provide entertainment options for rear passengers. Organize cables and chargers. With the number of electronic devices we use in our cars, cables and chargers can quickly become tangled and messy. To keep them organized, consider using cable organizers or Velcro straps. You can also designate a specific compartment or pouch for storing cables, chargers, and portable power banks to prevent them from cluttering your car's interior. Clean and condition leather upholstery. If your car has leather seats or interior surfaces, it's important to clean and condition them regularly to maintain their appearance and longevity. Use a leather cleaner specifically designed for automotive use to remove dirt and stains. Follow up with a quality leather conditioner to keep the leather supple and prevent cracking. Keep a stain remover kit handy. Accidents happen, and stains can be particularly troublesome to remove from car upholstery. To be prepared, keep a stain remover kit in your car. Include items like stain remover sprays, upholstery wipes, and a small brush. Having these tools readily available can help you tackle stains quickly and effectively. Organize documents and manuals. To keep important documents, such as insurance papers and car manuals, organized, consider using a document organizer or folder. Keep it in your glove compartment or center console for easy access. This way, you'll always have the necessary information at hand and prevent loose papers from cluttering your car's interior. And there you have it, our complete guide to keeping your car clean and organized. By following these steps, you'll enjoy a clutter-free and inviting car interior every time you step in. Remember, a clean car not only enhances your driving experience but also leaves a positive impression on passengers. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.